Hey, what's up, yo? Want to share a few words on relationship and how it is the foundation of our healing, and how dance supports our healing by bringing us into relationship. So, I'm gonna keep this short and brief. Try to hit a few important elements that I think can illuminate these themes for you, and in talking they illuminate them for me. So thank you for the opportunity to reflect and hear myself. Relationship, that is how we heal, that is how we change, that is how we grow and transform. It's also how we are often hurt and traumatized and injured. So it goes both ways. But in order to repattern, to repair, we have to be in relationship that is safe, relationship that gives us space. Love is has many things, but one version I like from Rilke is love is when someone else protects your freedom. So that relationship to the moment, to let it be whatever it needs to be. That is how we change, because we're safe enough in order to shift something. We don't have to repeat that same pattern that might not be of service to us. So relationship is often how we get into trouble or into pain and into unhealthy patterns, coping, but it's also how we get out. And so having someone to witness us, to hear us, to reflect us back, to talk with us, to dance with us, to touch, to break bread with, to share water or wine with. All these are ways in which relationship can help us. These are fundamental, basic things. I don't think I'm breaking any ground. But the thing I wanna add to that is we can build relationships with the ground, build trust with the earth. That's a relationship. We can build trust with the space, meaning being able to take up space, expand ourselves. That's connected to the breath. The breath is a relationship between the conscious and the somatic. Breath is a relationship between the reflex and the response. So building a relationship with our breath brings us into relationship with the space, with the moment, with our nervous system, and with the nervous systems around us. So relationship to the earth, relationship to the space, relationship to music, to external rhythm. Building that relationship can support our internal rhythm, finding that internal groove, the internal flow. So these are ways in which we can build relationship that doesn't involve people, doesn't involve other living human systems. Nature's all around us. You can build a relationship with the tree, with the flower, with that touch, with the sensory organs, with the smell. We can build a relationship through our own touch. These are all ways. So, why dance? Because dance integrates a lot of those things. Let's say you're dancing alone. Part of dance is building that relationship to the earth. If you're standing on it, it's shifting your weight on the earth. If you're listening to a song, it's connecting the relationship of the music outside to the music inside. If you're doing those things and you're breathing, your breath is supporting that movement. The relationship of your inhale and exhale to your movement creates that flow, creates that link between the subconscious and the conscious. If you're changing levels, you go down to the ground, your relationship to the earth changes with that music, with the breath. And then if you have a person that you're dancing with, that's another relationship. It's another way to build that connection. So dance offers all these opportunities to be in relationship, to be in safe, supportive, enjoyable, healthy relationship. That's why we've been doing it for so long. We've been around the fire, bringing the rain, with the drum, with each other, with the song. So it's this ancient act. It's something deeply intuitively human because it integrates all of these different layers of relationship. To the ground, to heaven, to space, inside, outside, each other, myself. So this is a PSA, to dance more. Why? Because it brings us into relationship. Why do we need a relationship? Because that's our way to heal. That's our way to repair. It's not the only way, but without that, we never will. And dance is a way to do that so we can. 5 minutes. I tried to keep it under. It's a little over. Close enough. Enjoy. Say hi to the earth today. Say hi to your breath. Say hi to yourself. Tickle a flower. Put on a song. Shift your weight. Do all those at the same time. Have a lovely day.